Alright YouTube, today we're going to show you how to change the remote battery on the Compustar FMX remote. This is the older model. I think they have a newer model than this, I'm not sure. But this is the G15 two-way remote. Pretty much primary tool you're going to need here is a quarter. And you're going to see like a little divot here that the quarter will fit in on the right side of the key fob, and you'll turn it pretty hard like that. It is going to get hooked up here. You can just kind of pry that open and it'll open up just like that. Turn it around and here's your key. Circuit board, that is your antenna right there, but you'll just essentially turn this over and there are your batteries. The batteries that we're using here today are the 2025 lithiums. I got them from Energizer. They're about $5 at Walmart currently right now. So to pull these batteries out, you're gonna want a small flathead screwdriver to push them through. And you don't need to reprogram after this. Positive side is going to go up on both of the batteries. And there you go. Then that's it. And reverse to install. Excuse me. Careful of that antenna there. Very fragile antenna. You can see it's, and I'll tell you why. Because it's hanging on by one little thing. It's not, so you know, right there, that's the only part of it that is that's attaching it to the circuit board. So you'll be very careful with that, okay? And then you close it back up and you should be good. Now these key fobs, they tend to get destroyed pretty quickly. I'm not sure yet who sells a replacement case for this, but I did email Compustar, so maybe in the description I'll tell you how to get a replacement case, because when you're changing out the battery, it's probably a good time to change the case out as well. All right, you have any questions in regards to this battery change, let me know.